Question number 10. Two blocks are at rest on a frictionless surface, horizontal surface. One block is made of wood, another is made out of steel. Okay, there's a collision happening. A steel ball is fired horizontally with a speed v on the wooden block. The ball embeds itself in the block, and the block and the ball move together after impact. Okay, it moves like this. So what kind of, so there's a collision. What kind of collision is this? This would be an inelastic collision. The secret of solving every MCQ correctly is that, okay, see to it that what all parameters come to your mind when you read a paragraph or a sentence, just write down that. Okay, that is your information. You are getting the information over here. The second identical ball is fired horizontally with speed v at the steel block. Okay, the steel ball then rebounds back along its original path with speed v by 2. It goes away. So what kind of collision is this? This is not an inelastic. It's a perfectly inelastic. So this could be an elastic collision. Elastic collision. The wooden block and the steel block have equal masses. Which statement about it is true after the collision is correct. Now now what do we understand from an inelastic collision? We understand that whenever we have an inelastic collision, the energy is lost. Energy is lost in the collision, and here energy is conserved. Energy is conserved. Okay, energy is not lost over here. Okay, now both blocks must travel with the same speed. No, it will not definitely travel with the same speed. Okay, either this block goes like this, okay, along with this or not, because some amount of energy is lost. When you say energy is lost, what kind of energy? Kinetic energy is lost. When kinetic energy is lost, what do you mean by that? That means the velocity will reduce over here. So definitely steel block should travel faster, wood block should travel slower. So they will not travel at the same speed. So this is incorrect. Steel block must travel faster than the wooden block, right? Wooden block must travel. So if this is correct, this is definitely wrong. Masses of the blocks in steel block does not require. Okay, so therefore B is the right answer.